So how do you delete the apps on the iPad but inside of the settings? So let me explain it, and if it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you know, of course, that if we are on the home screen, you can hold it down on the apps and kind of like delete them from your device, right? You can click on options and remove the app and click on delete it. But there is even a better way when you go to the settings right there and click on a general section and tap the iPad storage. This is going to give you the breakdown of the current situation on your iPad, like how much your apps are taking up and so on. And below you can see the list of the apps, so you can sort them by the name, size, or last used date. So that might be something you are interested in, but by size it's kind of useful because you can see the large apps. And for example, I can see that I have one app in here which is quite large. I can go in here into the settings, click on a delete app, confirm it again, and it's going to uninstall it from my device, but done through the settings. And as I say, the difference and or the advantage of going through the settings to delete your apps is that you can see exactly how large they are, and it's especially useful if you want to do it to optimize the storage, right? If you just want to delete the app for whatever reason, it doesn't matter how you do it. But for more information about the storage and the data it stores and everything, it's better to go through the settings. So that's how you can do it, and also why you might want to be doing that to begin with. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below in the comments. If you would have some more thoughts or questions specifically about this, let me know below. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later.